Okay, everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce me. My name is Arif Farul. Today, I will explain about the value engineering study case that I already read and study in detail. For today, the value engineering case it's on the Georgia Department of Transportation. In the I strip 20 is born from I strip 285 to CR 5150 on the Panola Road. The project description. We start from the project description first. This project is an improvement and an extension of the operational period of I strip 12 strip 20 is born from I strip 285 to CR 5150 Panola Road in Declat, Georgia. The value engineering study was carried out on the February 9 until 12 on 2010 by PSBNG in Atlanta. Okay, this is the value engineering process in general way. The first is the investigation or the information phase. The second one is on the analysis phase. The third one is the speculation phase. After that, we move to the evaluation phase and then development phase. After that, we move to the recommendation phase, and the last is the presentation phase. Investigation phase. The VE team must provide a general understanding by the Georgia Department of Transportation, including the project creation design concept, the cost plan, and the third one is the psycho project limitation. The VE team develops cost model from the cost data provided, and the cost model itself is analyzed in the Pareto laws such as identifying elements and ordering elements from highest to lowest cost. The analysis phase. The VA team defines, classifies, and evaluating the function of the project. Analyzing using the FAST or function and analysis system technique model to determine the expected goals of the project. The important function of the project identified including the project objective and goals itself and the project basic function itself. The speculation phase, the brainstorming to generate ideas to find ideas for solving problem, which will later be used for the next stage on the value engineering steps, including the utilizing road width to enlarge lanes from 11 to 12. After that, reduce the cost on proving walls through the alternative wall types, material, or by reducing wall height, or the installation length. The third one is reviewing traffic geometric and effective designs that have been designed to reduce disruption along I-strip 12, I-strip 20. Okay, the evaluation phase. The resulting creative idea are processed to determine the best alternative step that will be selected with a review that has been carried out based on the parameter and objective of the owner and design team members. The parameter that used to determine whether the alternative is gonna be used is sufficient to be profitable so that it can be continue to the next or to the next step of the phase, the value engineering, such as the speed up the implementation process, the increasing value, the implementation of the alternative, the increased project life, saving construction costs, and the save the LCC. From the several criteria, the VE team evaluate and then assess the alternative from point 5 that is excellent to the point 1 that is poor. We move to the development case. Compare the conclusion of the alternative studies that have been score of 4 or 5 by considering risk, cost, and time constraint. Includes an explanation of the draft idea to the clarify alternative idea for the original idea itself. Advantages, disadvantages, technical explanation, and the estimated design cost and cost saving. Recommendation phase. The VE team will review the alternative and offer it, which offer the alternative are suitable and suitable for the project, and increase the level of project success and the value of project development itself. The last step is the presentation phase. The presentation aims to inform the owners and designer of the study's conclusion about the objective of the value engineering. This is the Pareto chart that will be used in this case of value engineering, and this is the cost diagram that will be used. This is the fast diagram the that gonna be used in this project. We move to the alternative that has been carried out from the value engineering. The first alternative, we move to the initial design. The outer shoulder of the road is 12 wide along the CD lane. The alternative design, the shoulder of the road lane has been changed to 10 wide along the CD lane. The profit for this alternative first is the short lane construction implementation time. The second one is safe construction cost. And the third one is reduced pavement thickness. There will be no risk for this alternative. This is the cost for the first alternative, and the drawing is the first alternative illustration that has been drawn by the VA team. We move the second alternative, initial design, stripping two lanes of asphalt under the concrete layer lane, and the alternative design eliminates the stripping of asphalt layers. The profit from this second alternative, the first is the safe road pavement cost, and the second one is shortened processing time. The rest there will be no rest. This is about the cost. Okay, we move to the third alternative. Initial design. The initial construction design for the outer shoulder of the road used full pavement with a slope of 6%. Alternative design. An alternative design is to change the slope until reaching 4%. The profit itself will be a reduced stripping cost in the future and reducing future coating costs. The race may affect the drainage water flow. This is the cost for the third alternative, and this is the illustration drawing for the third alternative that has been drawn based by the alternative design. We move the fourth alternative, the initial design, using a median in the form of types 26 concrete from STA plus 65 to the STA plus 135. The alternative design itself will be converting a concrete median into a guardrail with two phases. The profit for this alternative, the first is save cost on materials. The second one is reduce the protruding median part so that widening become easier. The third one is reduce installation time. The risk for this alternative is need to revise the drainage system that has been designed before or, or has been installed before. Okay, this is the cost for the fourth alternative, and this is the drawing for the fourth alternative. We move to the fifth alternative, the initial design, drainage design using a concrete pipes. And then the alternative design itself, drainage use a metal pipes. The profit for this alternative will be save drainage cost and reduce the concrete construction cost. The risk for the fifth alternative is no risk. This is the cost, and this is the drawing for the fifth alternative. We move to the sixth alternative. The initial design, CIP retaining walls comply with GDOT standards. And then the alternative design itself will be changing the CIP retaining wall to MSE, but the retaining, but the retaining geometric design. Profit, first saving cost, second reducing process time, the third one is improve aesthetics, the fourth is GDOT standard design are available, and the last is in this road corridor there is already an MSE wall that is being used. The risk is no risk. This is the cost, and this is the drawing. The seven alternative, the first is the initial design. The initial design used DPTCIP, but the requirement is that there must be sound dampening walls in the both road corridors. The alternative design for this recommendation is implement ground stabilization techniques to facilitate steeper ground section than using the PTCIP. This alternative still maintains the road geometry design. The profit. First is reduce processing time, and the second is protecting the environment. Risk, there will be no risk. And this is the cost for the seven alternative. We move to the eighth alternative. The initial design, SIP IP retaining walls comply with GDOT standards, and the alternative design, changing the CIP retaining wall to the sheet pile but retaining the geometric design. The profit is reduced processing time, saving cost, and sheet pile has value after its self-service life. There will be no risk. This is the cost for the alternative, and this is the drawing. Alternative 9, initial design, install sound barrier walls around the road. And the alternative, postpone installation until road construction reconstruction. The profit decrease of value, and the risk, there will be no risk. And this is the cost for the 9 alternative or the last alternative on this project. Okay, thank you for listening and watching my presentation. I hope you can get it. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.